Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Let's get this video started real quick. On a Volkswagen Golf, I've had people ask me, where's the MAP sensor located for the mass airflow sensor? It's under the hood. I said it's on a Volkswagen Golf, right beside the air filter box. And it's located right behind the air filter, top of the housing right here, right in front of your fuse box. You press that the tab in right here to unplug it. See if I can get it unplugged here. It doesn't want to unplug. Man, that thing's a booger. We've been sitting. Damn, at least I'm blown underneath the hood. Well, this one's not bad, but I'm just showing you a quick tutorial of where it's located and how to unplug it. Like I said, this is on a Volkswagen Golf.